Honorable Shri Tawde ji, Prakash Mehta Sahib, Ijaz Khan, Mr. Ranganathan, Shri Pillai, members of my family, friends, members of the Diplomatic Corps, athletes, students, friends. So after this talk, we've had many people who've come here and spoken on our campus. So you have connected with the audience fantastically. Sir, आपके लिए जितना कहें हम कम है. अभी उद्घाटन तो बहुत ज़बरदस्त हो गया. What Manali Londe said was very correct. 1992, when my grandfather was 90 years old, along with my grandmother, Dadi ke saath, and my Bua, Leela Ben, who's sitting here, they came to my graduation in Masters in Chemical Engineering in Cornell University. He saw the athletic track and the sports facility. He was walking, but at 90 years old, it was a big thing. So my friend had him on a wheelchair just to make it easy for him to go from one place to the other. And when he came back to Bombay, he called me from the office and said, I have planned a running track for our campus. And what is that sport you play? तो कौन सा sport खेलता है? So I said squash. So he says उसमें squash भी होगा. ऐसे he said. But what amazed me, I was sitting after putting the phone down that day, was I said, but my grandfather, but I said, this man was on a wheelchair, clearly unable to run at that age. But he was seeing for the future, not for himself, but for the generations to come after. And I was just amazed. What amazing thing to think, as a person on a wheelchair and a lathi, to think for somebody who will, for the students who come after, for the children who come after. I think it was just motivating when I put that phone down. कि वह क्या बात है. The sports for us is an integral part. I inherited membership of Willingdon Club. पुराने ज़माने का क्लब महालक्ष्मी रेस कोर्स के सामने, वेरी फैंसी. पापा ने मेंबरशिप ली थी, सो वी इनहेरिटेड द मेंबरशिप. वर्ल्ड ऑफ प्रिविलेज, स्क्वॉश खेलने मिलता था, स्विमिंग करने मिलना था. बट स्पोर्ट्स इज़ अ ग्रेट पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ. एंड आई थॉट, शुड स्पोर्ट्स ओनली बी रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू प्रिविलेज? Should it not be available to all the students who come to our campus? Sir, we have 40,000 students on this campus, students in the villages, in Nareshwadi, some students are here. Should these facilities only be available to clubs, or should it also be available in education? So systematically, we have built education facilities and sports facilities in our campuses. And I am delighted that today you have now inaugurated, both of you, a new facility here, जिसमें 8 squash court रहेंगे, 2 बैडमिंटन कोर्ट रहेंगे, टेबल टेनिस फैसिलिटीज़ रहेगी, 50 मीटर स्विमिंग पूल रहेगा, जिम्नेजियम रहेगा और एक मल्टीपर्पज़ हॉल रहेगा, in addition to everything that we have on the campus. So I am proud to say that हमारी स्कूल है साकरवाड़ी में, कान्हे गांव में. प्रकाश मेहता साहब वहाँ पे आए हुए हैं, हमारे एक प्लांट का उद्घाटन किया था. वहाँ पे जो बच्चे हैं, they play badminton for the district, they play badminton for Pune division. Some of them have come to the state level, and their marks, sir, are fantastic. They are performing superbly in sports, representing the division, and also getting 90% in their marks. सर, स्विमिंग में मेरा एक दूसरा उद्देश्य है. I am influenced by Cornell because I'm a student of Cornell. The first thing after giving my ID card, they asked me to swim 150 meters. First thing. And they said, if you do not know how to swim, we will force you to learn how to swim. So I asked, iske piche kya hai? So they said there was one family whose son drowned, who was a Cornell student. So the parents decided to give a gift to the university, a financial gift. But they put a condition that there will be no graduate of Cornell University who will not know how to swim. Their own tragedy, they converted into a positive thing for society. Again, how do you make the future better than what you have today? सर आपने बहुत ज़बरदस्त कनेक्शन किया है. हमारा सपना है, मैं वो इकबाल का शेर दोहरा चुका हूँ, एक बार और फिर दोहराऊँगा. ये बच्चे तो करते ही हैं कि खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रज़ा क्या है. सर हमारी रज़ा है कि we become a university. We want to, you said about how you don't want an education system in which varcha म्हणजे विरोधी खाली. We want to be able to create an education system. हमें किसी और का मोहताज नहीं होना, हमें किसी कॉर्नेल की कॉपी नहीं करनी, नकल नहीं करनी है. हमें अपने खुद की बुनियाद पे खुद की सृष्टि की रचना करनी है. We want to learn from the best. But we want to learn from the best and we want to apply it to our world. When I see that the opportunity to many people, today the number of people of our students, including in my own family, somebody wants to go abroad to study. I feel like मैं एक पान वाले की दुकान पे खड़ा हूँ, मैं पान बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन कोई मेरे पास आने के बगैर दूसरे पान वाले के पास जा रहा है. और मैं सोच रहा हूँ ये गलत नहीं है, वो अगर अच्छा पान बनाता है तो आप वहीं पे पान खाओ, लेकिन मुझे भी ये मौका मिले कि मैं उससे बेहतर पान बना के मेरे पास लोगों को आकर्षित कर सकूं. Sir, last year we got 25 students who came here from abroad to study, one from Vietnam, we got people from Nigeria, we got people from Japan, we got people from Kenya, we have other students who have come from Africa and Asia to study here, and they want to study. We think this will be more, and I am delighted that you think that we, in the RUSA, the cluster university, sir, we have made an application. You said you are considering it favorably. We'll be delighted. Our whole concept is education in the humanities, sciences, in the management, engineering and medicine, in the cultural subjects. Aap puchte ho, people ask us, what is the use of learning poetry? What is the use? You think everything is not based on use. Today, life is richer for things that are not thought of as how useful they are. हमारी लाइफ किस तरह से बनती है, हम जीना जीते हैं गाने से, जीना जीते हैं, ज़िंदगी क्या होती है वो क्या बैंक में नहीं लिखा होता है किसी. सो आई एम डिलाइटेड सर, यू हैव कम हियर टुडे. आई टोल्ड हिम व्हेन ही केम, 4 साल की आरजू थी, आपको बुलाते हैं कि आप आइए और उद्घाटन कीजिए. मेहता साहब को हम अपने ही मानते हैं, हमारे पास आए हुए हैं. મને આજે બહુ ગમ્યું કે ગેસ્ટ ઓફ ઓનર તરીકે તમારું નામ અને તાવડે સાહેબનું નામ ત્યાં એ ફાઉન્ડેશન સ્ટોન ઉપર છે, અને એક રીતે this will be there for always. I want to really thank my father-in-law specially here. He has designed the sports academy. He has made it, we first made it differently, he changed it completely. I think it is wonderful that we are going to have a world-class academy. I thank you. It is a dream, and I can't know life without sports. I love academics, but my life would be incomplete without sports. Ijaz is here to make this dream a possibility. Thank you. Thank you all for coming.